Hello. Welcome to Bash Graphics. In this video, I will show you how I use Shape Builder tool in my artworks and how you can use it in your own designs. So, let's get started. First, let's create some shapes. I will create some overlapping circles, all of different shades. Select all of the shapes which you want to use. Now select the Shape Builder tool. Remember, Shape Builder tool is used to create shapes or remove shapes from a design. Now hold the Alt key and as you do so, click any shape which you want to remove. As you see, the shapes are removed. Now, if we select all the shapes and use the Shape Builder tool without the Alt key, you will notice that it creates shape in any empty area. Drag it out, you can clearly see the shape created. You can now change its size, color, whatever you want. For our next example, I am going to show how Shape Builder tool is used to create professional monogram logo designs. So, follow me with the process. First, draw a straight line by holding Shift key. Select the line and drag it by holding Alt and Shift key together, so it creates a copy of the line selected. Now keep pressing Ctrl+D until you have 10 lines. Select all the lines and reflect them at an angle of 60 degrees. Now hit copy. Make sure all the lines are overlapping each other. Now select all the lines by hitting Ctrl+A and then select the Shape Builder tool. Click and drag through the empty boxes between the lines to create a shape. And in this way, you can create a logo using the Shape Builder tool. You can just select the shapes you created and remove all the excess lines. Now a quick example of how I design an eye in my vector artworks. I leave it to you to understand what's happening. That's it for the video. Subscribe if you liked it. I'll see you in the next one.